Here we go. Appreciate the fill here. 2020 Prizm. Good luck, everybody. We got some Chrome Soccer coming. We got some more Prizm in the basketball department coming. Give us something big here. Give us something big. Come on. Come on, baby. First pack. We got orange. Man, I remember ripping so much of this stuff. Curtis Martin, Jets. Out of 249. Is that gold? Is that? I don't think so. I think that's just how the insert's colored. Maybe it is. Maybe it is. It is. Gold. Kyler Murray. Second year. Kyler Murray hype gold Cardinals. I bet you didn't expect that, Cardinals owner. Joseph. The Kyler to 10. Wow. Solid. Zach Moss on the orange. Bills out of 249. AJ Terrell and Jawan. Casual gold just hanging out in there. Dang it. Bad auto. James Prochet. Ravens. Red Fred Warner out of 149. Red Wave. Jeez. Trash. Jerry Jeudy autograph. To the Broncos. Red Wave out of 149. Not bad. Broncos hitting. He's with the Browns now, right? Jeudy. For a 2020 box, if you pull a guy that's still playing, that's decent. That is good. Because you might get a James Prochet. You never know what you get in these ones. Is James Prochet in the league anymore? Oh, we got Blue Ice. Come on. Mike G. Mike G on the Blue Ice. Dolphins. Out of 99. Purple. We got the perp coming. Gabriel Davis. Purple Bills out of 125. Van Jefferson and Nathan Stanley. Stan man. Dust. Straight dust in that pack. It was so bad. There was nothing in there. No color, no autograph. What the hell? Usually you get like one of those per box, though. They're very rough. Tyler Boyd. Green yellow out of 175. Got a silver coming. No one. Earl Thomas. Leighton Vander Esch, Blue Wave, Cowboys out of 149. 2 packs remain. Come on, give us something in these last 2. How about a Jordan Love? Green and yellow. It's a sign. It's a sign. It's a sign for Derwin James. Chargers. We got Derwin out of 175. All right, last pack. Come on. We'll let it marinate just a little bit. Let it cook. Let it cook. It's got to be good. It's got to be good. Come on. We got a blue wave and a silver. Silver is Tyreek. Straight dust. Oh no, it's Ricky, or the linebacker that no one cares about. It's Ricky Jackson to the Saints. Oh man, out of 199. We tried. We did a Kyler Gold though. The worst team potentially hit the biggest card. Ricky, how about a Derwin? How about a Leighton? How about a Gesicki and a Boyd? And a Gabriel Davis on the purple, Zach Moss orange. Curtis Martin, James Prochet on the ink. How about a Jerry Jeudy Broncos out of 149 and the Kyler Hype Gold? He does have some hype right now. You should have bought 3 months ago because you would have been up some money there. Probably 30%, my friend. Alrighty. That is it for 2020 Prizm. National break in the books. We're filling as many national breaks as we can tonight. And in order for us to run the full promo, we need all the national breaks to fill by tomorrow night. Any more of these? No, unless you want to do a case break, Kevin, because I am not opening that case until Jordan Love wins a Super Bowl, which we might be opening that come February. Let's just plan on it, Kevin. February it is.
You have a full case still?
I do. I actually do have a box too, just laying around, but I have it BBC wrapped or whatever the hell it is. What other breaks need to fill? Let's see if I can pull this up quick. Oh no, it's not gonna go. I have all the stuff at the front of the page that needs to fill. Crown Royal basketball, Obsidian basketball, which is a really good price now. Price went up on the Obsidian basketball. Elite Extra Edition baseball. Rookies and Stars football. Flawless one box break football. The 5-box Bowman mixer with Bowman Sapphire. It's actually really good. Yeah, website. All right, guys, I'm going to shut this one down. We'll be right back. Send me a DM or just ask me in the Facebook group if you guys have any questions about the promo or anything. We'll be right back on Facebook.